pleasant day. I am Marvin Navarrete Huelgas, 19 years of age, born on March 8, 1993. Currently residing at Balele, Tanawan City, Batangas, Philippines. I am second to the eldest son of Mauricio Huelgas and Sophia Huelgas. My dad is a tricycle driver and my mom is a overseas Filipino worker in Saudi Arabia. Currently, I am a second-year student of Batangas State University, Jose P. Laurel Polytechnic College, Malbar Campus, taking up Bachelor of Industrial Technology, major in Computer Technology. Last February 4, 2012, I attend Batangas Information Technology Students Conference at Lipa Cultural Center, Lipa City, Batangas, Philippines. It provides a wider avenue for me to discover, update, and enrich my knowledge and interest in the fast-paced tech world. I am a computer literate, having a basic computer skills, having a knowledge and ability to use computer. I know how to assemble a system unit, and I have a basic knowledge in computer programming. I love reading books, surfing, browsing the net, and enjoying social networking sites. Well, I can say I am willing to learn and I'm willing to be trained. Thank you and have a great day ahead.